Meaning of emperor.
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 Emperor. Emperor is a term used to refer to the sovereign ruler of an empire. The title of emperor is typically reserved for someone who holds a unique position of authority over a vast and diverse territory, and who wields significant political, military, and cultural power. Emperors are often considered to be among the most powerful individuals in human history, and they have played a central role in shaping the course of civilizations throughout the ages. They are revered as symbols of strength, wisdom, and leadership, and their legacies continue to inspire and influence people around the world.